What up, my friends? Dan the Man here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm holding my head like this so that my glasses don't reflect. Come up here like this, and yeah, you get it. Anywho, today we're gonna do some rewraps. We're gonna rewrap some batteries, 18650s. So, without any further ado, or poo-poo, or any other kind of ridiculousness that I do, because I'm a strange character. Yeah, very strange character. Book character, right? Like a novel? Hold. Okay, these are the things you need. Batteries that need rewrapping, a blow dryer or a heat gun, not a lighter. I don't recommend a lighter unless, if you know how to use a lighter, then you shouldn't even be watching this video. Unless you need some entertainment. Laughing at me. Unless you want to laugh at me. Let me show you these battery wraps, okay? You go, I'm going to leave a link, of course, to Fat Daddy Vapes. You get 100 battery wraps for $3.49. There's all kinds of different colors. Let me move those because they're like right in the way. Oh, these didn't. These came from a company that I just. I'm throwing those away. So anywho, I've used up quite a bit of these already. I've had it for well over a year. If you're tired of spending money on battery wraps, these are gonna last you. I'm not sure if you can choose the colors because I don't remember. No, you don't. They just come random, if I'm not mistaken. Anywho, let's pick two. I want to keep that one yellow, and I want to keep this one green. Whoops. There's even clear ones, which kind of trip me out sometimes. I don't want any newbies seeing that. Anyone that comes over, trying to help them quit smoking, whatever. You know how it goes. We gotta proselytize. Okay. First things first, the battery. You gotta continue. Whoops. Oh no. Alright, well that's not good. See that? You want to keep these on your batteries. Oh, great. Let me see what happened. Anyways, let's peel it off. In the meantime, don't bring any metal objects near it. Alright, that's on. Pretty good. But I'm going to put a different one on there. You need these. Because a lot of times if that happens and you don't know it, you're going to need that little insulator right there to protect yourself. So, let's get this one off too. You know what? Let me adjust this camera to... Whoops, that was the wrong way. Alright. Usually you can just peel it right off pretty easy. I don't have one battery. Yes, I do. I have one set of brand new batteries that still have original battery wraps on them. I don't know if it's because I'm really hard on them or if that's just the way it goes. You have to rewrap these things every once in a while. Usually it's the mod that tears them up. This one still looks good to me. I'm going to leave it there. Yeah. So, that's the green one. This is usually the hardest part right here. Oh, getting them open. I've got these. I never used to have fingernails until I lost my teeth. Now I can't chew them off anymore. So now I got it. trim my fingernails and whatnot. Like, never had to do that before. Anywho, get it on there, slide it over, and then I go ahead and adjust it. So I'll just bend it over. Okay, that's where it's gonna be. That's nice. And then that one there is fairly decent too. Maybe a little bit down more. And that's us for that one. Put that to the side. Yeah, so you can see it still, I guess. This side. Let's get this out of the way. Now, it's not easy to keep these on, especially after you start blowing on it with the heat source. I'll give it a lick on the bottom. I don't know if it works on that. Like, okay, so I won't give it a lick on the bottom because that sure didn't work at all. Okay. I'm fixing to do something that I do not recommend. So I'm not going to show you what I'm doing. I'm an idiot. I don't mind. I just put a tiny dab of super glue on there. And that's probably why these don't come off. I'm pretty sure like Mooch wouldn't recommend that, but I'm not Mooch. Anywho, let's get this ball rolling. Also, I'm changing my I wanted to do this little bitty video because I'll be changing my editing software because the one I was using is junk and my voice, like, anyways, if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know that. Yeah, exactamundo. Alright, we're gonna do one at a time. Let's fire up the blow dryer. Now, the blow dryers will work. I put it on the hottest setting, and then wham bam spanky man, and away we go. Okay, this isn't quite reaching. So I'm gonna bring it this way, and I'll do that. This is how I do it, my friends. I'm gonna let this heat up a minute. Here we go. Okay, and you'll see what it's doing. It's halfway down, then I flip it over, hold it there for a second, and then I do this. Where the creases are, boy, that's hot. Okay, one down. You could, once it, you're not supposed to do that, what I just did there. But it worked that one piece out. Now the creases, not the crease. Looks like my little cat is deciding to come over here and see what's going on. But she hasn't come up. Alright. There we go, my friends. I put that back where it belongs. I always put my tools back where they belong. Otherwise, I won't know where they're at. And there they are. Rewrapped batteries. They're safe once again. Of course, you can see how old they are with the dents. This one needs to be replaced. This one's a year old, but still works. So, wham bam spanky man. Alright, let's bring it up, my friends. There I am. I should have paused it again. I'll work on that in the with my new software, editing software. What an idiot. Anyways, let's get us out of the mouth to lung vape it, and then we're gonna rock and roll. Peace, my brothers and sisters.